Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
Hi children, today we will learn about time. When you talk about time, you think of your clock, your watch. And there are how many hands there? Some watches have 3 hands, but you have 2 hands. Most watches have 2 hands. Then one is for telling you the minutes, one is hour. Then we say the minute goes into hours, hours into days, then to weeks and all that. So we're going to do in detail time. Okay? And in time, we should also learn to calculate. Now, today is Monday. Okay, fine. Monday to Monday, how many days? In 1 month, how many Mondays are there? How many days in a month? Detailed learning so that later we can do conversion. So first we are going to do time. Okay, today we are going to work out time. Look at time in detail. When we talk about time, we need to know detailed how many seconds. Now I'm telling you 1. That is 1 second. You say 1, 2, 3. That is 3 seconds. So now we need to count up. When you go to a doctor, doctor will hold our wrist, take pulse. 60 is counting 60. What is 60 seconds? 60 seconds is 1 minute. Now when we talk about time, time is very precious. We have to work hard, second by second, minute by minute, hour by hour, to work out day after day and do all the work correctly. So time is an important factor in yours and my life. Now, when we count 60, 1, 2, 3, that is 60 seconds. And the 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. If the clock has 3 hands, the longest hand, normally it's red color, that goes 1, 2, 3. When it makes 1 complete round, that is 1 minute. Okay, now, so we go to learn table. Okay, we need to learn tables. Tables of time. What is tables here? When I say 60 seconds equal to what? 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. 1 minute. All right. 1 minute, 2 minutes, it goes on. Now, in a clock, okay, the second hand goes once. Like that, it has to go 60 times. That is 60 minutes. When it goes 60 times over, that is 60 minutes, and that is 1 hour. 60 minutes. 60 minutes, that is 1 hour. 1 hour, that is almost 1 period of your class. Little less than that. Okay, now you get up in the morning, you go to school, then you come back, again in the morning you get up. That time is 24 hours, that is 1 day. You see the sun rising, then in the evening the sun sets, the same sun gets up. So you sleep with the sun, you get up with the sun. That is 1 day. That is how many hours? 24 hours. When the sun rises and it comes on top, midday, 12 o'clock, that is 12 hours. Again the sunset. So 12 plus 12, 24. So 24 hours equal to what? 1 day. 24 hours equal to 1 day. Every day makes up 24 hours. And we got to learn a lot of things, do a lot of work correctly. Now, every day you don't go to school. You go to school Monday to Friday. That is 5 days. Then Saturday, Sunday, you take rest. So totally, 5 days you go to school, 2 days you stay in the house, 5 plus 2, 7 days. That is 1 week. So 1 day is 24 hours, 7 days. 7 days equal to 1 week. Okay, then you say, how many weeks are there in 1 month? That is 4 weeks. 4 weeks equal to 1 month. So you go to school one whole month and the next month and go on. Now, when you say 1 month, what about 12 months? How many months are there in a year? There are 12 months. January to December, 12 months, and that we call 1 year. Now this year is getting end. Now we start a new year. So that is 1 year. Now, 4 weeks, 1 month. So in 1 year, how many weeks are there? 52 weeks. 52 weeks is also 1 year. 52 weeks is also 1 year. 12 months also make 1 year. Now, how many days make 1 year? How many days make 1 year? 365 days. 365 days make 1 year. Okay, now that table we need to learn. The table of this will help us to convert so many minutes, seconds into minutes. If you get 1 hour, how many seconds? If so many days, how many hours? All kinds of conversion we need to do. So we must know 60 seconds, 1 minute. So when I say 2 minutes, how many seconds are there? Double it. Now 60 minutes, 1 hour. 1 hour, 60 minutes. When I say 2 hours, 120 minutes. Now, 1 day, 24 hours, 1 day. If it is 2 days, 48 hours. 7 days, 1 week. Okay, 7 days, 1 week. Now, 5 weeks, how many? 5 into 7. So, conversion we must know. Now, 12 months, 1 year. In 2 years, how many months are there? 52 weeks, 1 year. 8. 2 years, how many weeks are there? So, all this adding, subtracting, conversion. Then, we look at the hands of a clock. Now, we spoke about seconds. Now, I am going to do for you a clock. In the clock, I said there are normally 2 hands, but sometimes there is normally seconds and hour hand, but sometimes you get second, minute and hour hand. Okay, now let's look at this is a clock. In the clock, we have numbers 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now, most clocks I said will have minute hand, hour hand. Sometimes you get second hand. Now I am going to give you a second hand. Second hand is always long, tiny and very long. Okay, second. Now this second hand This is a narrow and long, and that is called, I am calling it as second. Seconds hand. 1 second, 2 second, 3. Now, when this goes right round, when it becomes 60, it becomes 1 minute. Now, I am going to do for you a minute hand. Okay? Now, this is your minute hand. Now, this is your minute hand. Minutes hand. This minute hand, every time it goes from one number to the other, that is 5 minutes. When it travels from 1 to 2, it is 5 minutes. So now let's count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. That is half now. Half. Okay? 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. This minute hand goes once around. That is 60 minutes and that is 1 hour. Now I'm going to do for you the hour hand. The hour hand is always short. Okay? Now this is your hour hand. So here in this particular clock you have seconds hand, minute hand and hour hand. Okay, this is for us to understand what is, now how many seconds, this second hand read, when it goes once around, that is 1 minute. 1 minute. Now the minute hand, when it goes from one number to the other, that is 5 minutes. When it goes right around, it is 60 minutes. And the 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. You get it? Now, therefore, that's how we get 24 hours and so on. Now, how many numbers are there in a clock? In a clock, how many numbers are there? 12 numbers. There are 12 numbers in a clock. And normally, how many hands are there? You only get minute and second hands. You get the minute hand and you get hour hand. Only these two are the minute and hour. In generally, you get in a clock, you get minute, and hour hand. Hour hands. So you get only two hands in every clock. In every clock phase, you will get only 2 hands. Alright. Now, we must learn this thoroughly. 60 seconds, 1, 2, 3. When it becomes 60, that is 1 minute. The minute hand, when it travels from one number to the other, that is 5 minutes. When it goes right round and come back to the same number, it is 60 minutes. That is 1 hour. I said that is little less than your 1 period in the class. Now, 24 hours. The sun rises and sunset. When the sun rises again, it is completed 1 day, 24 hours. Now, we begin our days of the week on Sunday to Saturday, that is 7 days of the week. Similarly, there are 4 weeks in 1 month and there are 12 months in 1 year and 52 weeks in 1 year and 365 days in 1 year. Okay? And then we must know the clock hand. There is a second, minute and hour hand. Most clock have only 2 hands, minute and hour hands only. And there are 12 numbers in a clock. A clock can be round, a clock can be square, a clock can be rectangular, whatever. Okay? Now, We need to learn this for conversion. When I say 2 minutes, then how many? 2 minutes means how many seconds? If I say 2 days means how many hours? So far, so that is how we learn conversion. We are working with time. The tables had to be learned very carefully.